Throwback to when someone asked me every time I have a hiccup fit to full hog. Oh my god. But maybe if I vlog, it will go away. Maybe that will happen. Nope. Okay, I'm just trying to edit my, I'm going to edit the vlog from yesterday after I finish editing my videos for my new YouTube channel. But I keep hiccuping, and it's really distracting, and it is cooking hot outside, and especially in this room. Yeah. But I thought I would just, you know, start filming because somebody commented saying they wanted this. So you're welcome to everybody else who hates this. And yeah, I set up a little bit more in the streaming room the other day. I'll show you guys actually. So I put up all my movie posters, and then I put up my Lost Highway vinyl, and I put up this Harley Quinn art poster that Jersey got me when I did a fan expo. But 2 years ago they bought that for me, and that was pretty nice of them. I love it. And if you're, ooh, that's how I feel right now. If you're wondering why my face is so white, it's baking right now. I have really, really bad acne at the moment. I was filming my things as I was doing, and I told you I was doing, but like my acne, it was just kind of shadowing funny on my face in that last video, which is fine. You know what? You know what? You can't always hide things like that, so it's fine. I'm like, whatever. I'm still editing it. It's still a good video, but it was very like, it looked like my face was lumpy and droopy, so I was like, I'm gonna put on some translucent powder, but I'm very freckly right now, which looks like a tan, so it looks actually white on my face. Like, it looks white. Hold me close now, tone. Leave your hands on my sheets of linen. John Lennon. Is it stopping?
Is it gonna stop now?